right, boys, so look, man, quick video, just got out of the gym. I'm gonna throw this on real quick. This is the new Kiastinger emblem on the rear. It looks like the Porsche Stinger. It's gonna look sick. KM tuned. If I don't like this, please send me another carbon fiber one, because that one is hard. I love that one. So, all right, let's get the old one off. So here's the old one. Just like last time, we are taking off the emblem with dental floss. We're gonna be left over with this. Careful, don't use your nails. Take your time. Super easy install, pretty nice packaging. These are individual letters inside here. There's adhesive, of course, on each one on the back. We're going to peel off. Now, you might be wondering to yourself, how the hell are you gonna line this up without it, you know, being all crooked, looking like that one guy from the meme, I did it myself, right? They thought ahead. So, to combat that, we have a stencil. The thing is you have to position this where you think looks best. Now, I have a tiny little scratch there. I'm gonna try to cover with one of these letters. That one's like, look at that, it's already broke. All right, guys, so there is 2 inches between each letter. So between this N and this G together, then we'll be right at 2 inches. So they don't need to overlap these little triangle things. All right, so something like this, dude. So now we know for sure it's gonna be all set up perfectly. What I did is I just measured about 1 1/4 inches from this line here. So you're measuring from the top of the letter. Remember, there's a bend right there in the lines of the car. Please hold it in there. Yeah, that's a good idea. Let's tack it and stand back. The sides, naturally, if you tape it in the middle, they want to sag down. Before we tape that up, we got to make sure it is straight. 1 3/4. I'm gonna run with this. And by the way, the adhesive on this is actually really strong, so I'm gonna put down these emblems so I don't pull them off. Bah! Now these are matte, so be careful. They will show some fingerprints, I noticed. We'll take it with a microfiber real lightly, get them up there. All right, guys, let me know what you think down below of the new Porsche Kiastinger emblem for the rear. I think it looks super clean. There's no mistaking what it says. It says Stinger. And if you're a real true and car enthusiast, then you're gonna know that's the exact same emblem that is on the Porsche Stinger. Super high-end, rare Porsche that I love, by the way. Porsche is my favorite supercar, period. I love Porsche. It's all about subtle changes. I'm loving this new rear emblem. You guys let me know what you think down below. I gotta get out of here. I got stuff to do. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.
Now I'm in the game, I was on the bench. First I was renting, now I'm collecting rent. First it with the Beamer, now I want the Benz.